Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Um, I honestly had no idea what to upload for the next video, so giving a thought about it for an hour or so, I came to this conclusion. Probably I can make a very short video on a tip on Google Sheet, something very common and very simple as well. But to my surprise, a lot of them I came across, I probably know fail to implement it or probably use this action when they use their Google Sheets. So I thought, I think there might be another huge chunk of people who would not be aware of this. So why not create a content out of it, right? Yeah, let's jump onto the video.
Yes, we do have a Google Sheet here. The thing I was explaining earlier was nothing but getting into the new line in the Google Sheet. The tools that we use today, most of the tools or the platforms that we use today, we use a common keys like enter key or shift plus enter key, the one next in the line to get into the new line. For example, in Google Doc or any other platforms that we use. But in Google Sheets, that's not the case, because when you use a normal key like enter key, what happens is, I'll show it to you guys what usually happens. When you use an enter key on a Google Sheet, it takes you to the next cell. Or when you use the thing that we usually use in the next step, the one right next to the enter, usually people often go for it, is shift plus enter key. That takes you to the cell above the current cell. So this is something which people usually, this is the spot where people usually give up, and then they go about typing one next to the other, not bothering about how do we go to the next line, or they even come to a conclusion that okay, we don't have a new line in the Google Sheet, right? For example, here we go about typing one after the other and then just go through the next line and then continue with the doc or the content that they create. But that's not the case. Say usually what happens is when you type a particular line, right, a particular line in one particular cell, and then you want to go to the next line in the Google next line in the same cell, you just click or long press control key and then click on the enter button. It goes to the new line, right? As simple as it. But we expect everyone to use or to know this particular shortcut, I would say, key shortcut, I would say, but a lot of them are hesitant or probably don't want to take the additional step in learning something very essential to our day-to-day usage. I think a lot of us use Google Sheets. Hopefully this gives you that value in learning. I hope you guys liked it, and until next time, have a good one. Thank you.